TxStampin Sharon, bringing you another Christmas card today. It's so easy, so pretty. I sure hope that you guys have loved all the holiday cards that I've been sharing. It's kind of kicking off the holiday catalog from Stampin' Up! If you do not have the holiday catalog and you would like one, you can send me a message and I'll be more than happy to get one to you. Stay tuned till the end and I'll tell you how to send me that message. You are going to love how easy this gorgeous card is to make. The paper says it all. I'm telling you, it is gorgeous. Can you see the copper in there, the little copper snowflakes? So of course I had to add the copper oval. The paper is called Joyous Noel Designer Series paper, and it's called Specialty Designer Series paper because of that copper. Let's make this quick card. I'm using Peaceful Noel. It is a fun new stamp set that is in the 2018 holiday catalog. I have my Versamark ink and I have my oval that we're going to stamp. You know me, I love to give you guys tips. So when I cut out the copper oval, I wanted to share with you that whenever I'm using copper, I like to just cut a strip of only what I need. And let me show you why. Can you see how my cutting plates dig in and make an impression on that copper? So it kind of messes it up. So you don't want to have a big piece of copper foil in there if you only need this much. Make sense? Of course, we want to use our embossing buddy always when we're embossing. These are photopolymer stamps, and I'm using the Versamark ink, like I said. Sticky. And my copper embossing powder, which don't worry, I have more coming. Pick that up. I always like to flick off that excess. And now we're going to heat emboss. I want to grab my little tool just to hold it in place. So I want to share a little trick with you that I learned. Because I was holding that there, I've got little smudge marks. Can you see that? This is called a sand and pencil eraser, and it will take that off. So it does a really good job at getting my little scuff marks off, is what I call it. We're going to use some adhesive. I'm using snail adhesive. I use more probably on the foil just to make sure it doesn't come apart. And now we're using this gorgeous ribbon, and I don't know if the camera does it justice. It is gold reversible. They're calling it reversible. So on this side, it's more solid. And then on this side, it's got copper or gold, but it goes beautifully with either one. And this is called the Mary Merlot and copper. So it is copper, but it's just so pretty. Easy to tie. It's just gorgeous. I always like to leave my ribbon on the bolt to save because we want every bit of this gorgeous ribbon that we can have. We don't want to waste it. I always like to have my silicone mat there so that if I accidentally, as I'm just chatting away, lay this down, it's not gonna stick. Perfect, love it. Do y'all have these? Do you have these silicone mats? You need them. I'm using crumb cake card base. I like the crumb cake with it. I felt like it really complemented because there's kind of a crumb cake color right here. So see how that goes. And now I'm going to tie my bow and I'm just really tying a knot. Sometimes when you have bulky bows, they don't mail well. Post office wants to charge you more money, so, and I'm kind of giving that a little twist so that you see that gorgeous coppery paper, ribbon on both sides. Tie it a little bit tighter. And you guys know me, I have to have my dimensionals. So in this case, I want a dimensional at the bottom and at the top so that it will clear that ribbon. I told you, fast but gorgeous. Let me know what you think. I love to hear your comments. Wasn't that ribbon gorgeous? Ah, just so pretty. Can't wait to make more cards with that one. I sure do appreciate you taking the time out of your day to spend it with me. Happy stamping, y'all!